Okay, our next reaction is photocatalyzed transformation of benzophenone to benzphenacol. Okay, so photochemical reaction. Here is the general reaction. Benzophenone, with the help of sunlight, we can transform into the benzphenacol. Okay, procedure. Dissolve 1 gram of given compound that means benzophenone in a 5 ml propanol in a 25 ml round bottle flask. Or you can take conical flask also by slight warming and add 1 drop of lactic acid. Very easy reaction. Add further quantities of propanol, cooling at to room temperature. Stopper the flask, taking care that none of the solution contaminates the joint. Cover the stopper and joint with the aluminum foil if necessary. And you have to place this flask in direct sunlight. So you can keep this flask on your terrace or in an open place where direct sunlight, that solution that can receive the direct sunlight. Okay, so colorless crystals begin to separate within 24 hours. If this time maybe it can extend, maybe sometimes we need 1 week to form the crystals of benzphenacol. Allow the flask to remain in the sunlight until no further solid appears to separate. Okay, about 8 days. Cool the solution in ice water, collect the product by filtration, wash it with about 2 ml ice cold propanol and dry it. So very easy reaction. Recrystallize from the glycolic acid from which it separates as a colorless needles and report yield TLC and melting point. So only take out all this mixture, benzphenacol and propanol, and add 1 drop of glycolic acid and keep that flask directly into the direct sunlight. After 2 to 3 days, your crystals is getting to start to develop, and up to 8 days, whole benzphenacol will get recrystallized out or get crystallized out. Let's see now what is the mechanism of this procedure. So it's a photocatalytic radical reaction. So benzophenone in ground state, singlet S0 on photochemical treatment on sunlight. Once it receives sunlight, it excited state, it goes to the excited state S1 opposite spin. So here there is generation of radical now. You can see here there is carbonyl bond is, has been homolytic breakage of this carbonyl pi bond. So generation of radical one more here. Then excited state, triplet state now, and this one is our triplet state. Now this triplet state reacts with this propanol. It abstracts proton. Again, homolytic cleavage of CH bond. So here is the generation of OH bond. Plus, next molecule of propanol molecule, that one is has been eliminated. Okay, as this one is also in form of radical. Okay, next molecule of the same molecule of this, they do react. That means we have to generate these 2 moles they have been generated. Okay, so and these 2 moles are now going to interact with each other. Okay, to form benzphenacol. Okay, so this is the mechanism for the benzophenone to benzphenacol. There are so many different other possibilities also. Um, that means different other products also they can form. So here is the acetophenone is also one side product, and this is our benzphenacol. One research articles I have been found, that was I got regarding this photo reduction of benzophenone in green chemistry using an alternate solvent ethyl alcohol. So they have done this reaction in ethyl alcohol instead of isopropanol. So 2017 published a journal, Green Chemistry Science Journal. Okay, so if you need to go in detail, so you can refer this article. So whatever product you got after recrystallization and all, so you have to report your yield, melting point, TLCs, and submit your report to the examiner.